Morningstar Sport Horses is located in Elk Grove. It's just outside of Sacramento. I've really loved and been on this property for about a decade, and it's one of the most beautiful places that I've ever seen. We were originally looking at plots to buy that were about 20 acres, and this one came available and it was 85. It just provided such a great opportunity for retirement horses and a ton of boarding opportunities. One of the biggest things that I really loved about it is the amount of mature trees. There's a lot of natural shade here. We also have year-round irrigated pastures. It's really nice to be able to still have green pastures here in the summer when it can get upwards of 100, 110 degrees. When I bought the facility, I had a vision of the most efficient and comfortable environment for these horses. The barn was originally kind of a Western horse facility. It was very rustic, it was very workmanlike, but to me it wasn't very polished. And I really wanted to add this aspect of elevation to it. One of the big things that I care a lot about is horse safety. So one thing that we did is put in security cameras in each stall. That gives us a huge amount of information that we can relate to a vet if there's a problem. So for us, just having that information makes me feel better as an owner and as a person who is offering the service to other people. I've come up with a few different ideas of things that I think in other barns might get overlooked. Something like a feed room that is highly organized, that allows for us to really care for these horses in an almost scientific manner when it comes down to feed. And that feed room also holds any resources as far as health goes. It's one of my favorite places to show people when they come here because horse nutrition is so important. I credit this place with the success that I've had in international Grand Prix and in national Grand Prix. It's one of those facilities that's very special because it affords me the ability to achieve my highest goals as well as care for the horses that have competed for me and really have done everything for me. I would love to share this facility with more people. We have so many great amenities here. We have plans to improve the property further in the years to come, so I'm really excited to have Kevin here with his business, KW Show Jumping, in collaboration with us, Morningstar Sport Horses, to develop a facility that really centers around the love of the horse, having fun riding, and having people learning and horses improving, and just wanting to make it obvious that we're here and to exhibit what we've developed here.